Good evening, everybody. It's an honor and privilege to be here among the august gathering of distinguished people. I am a gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon, and infertility specialist. But yes, I'm part of sickness industry. So on the other hand, I'm very proud and feel blessed to be part of Herbalife and IDSA, as it gave me an opportunity to be a part of wellness industry. I realized that as doctor, I can only treat people, but with Herbalife, we can prevent diseases. So it has been a great journey. I've been associated with Herbalife for last 23 years. My husband is an orthopedic surgeon. But as doctors, we thought we knew everything, but we were actually not in good health in spite of being doctors. So Herbalife gave us great health. And we at Herbalife are very passionate about health, nutrition, and fitness. And our philosophy is active, healthy lifestyle. Now, before Herbalife, I only knew two things. I knew how to see my patients and I knew how to run my home. But Herbalife gave us a platform, where there was so much growth, there was so much personal development, and we learned time management, financial management. And, as now there is enough evidence and testimonials, we can say that at direct selling, this is a only chance for an ordinary person to design and lead an extraordinary life. And now, because of Herbalife's platform, I I feel fit, much younger than I was before 23 years ago. And, it is very difficult for any woman or anybody to duplicate my background as a doctor. But thousands of women have duplicated me as a wellness coach. So that's the beauty of direct selling industry and Herbalife, where, there is no differentiation depending on the caste, creed, age, or educational background. And we learned to balance our personal and professional lives. And there is so much flexibility and low startup cost. And that is why direct selling is booming like anything. And, it is Herbalife does 9,000 crores, and I am such a proud Herbalife associate. And in spite of being a doctor, Herbalife has given me health. It has given me financial freedom, vacations, lifestyle, and personal development. The first time I went on stage, my heart was thumping and, I was trembling and drenched in a pool of sweat. But, we were trained by world-renowned business philosophers. And now, I'm in all the three media. And here I am being honored by IDSA. Thank you very much.